Guys, and today I'm going to show you how to make a jellyfish. This one is pink and this one is green. I'm going to show you how to make the pink one because it's easier than the green one because the pink one has an S instead of the knot. So you will need 43 yellow bands or whatever colour you want your jellyfish to be. You'll need 2 black bands for the eyes, an S-hook or a C-clip, and your hook, and of course your loom. So first off, you need to get a single band of your jellyfish colour and put it over like that. Then the rest of this will be double bands, but I will remind you through the video in case you forget. So next off, you have to take your double band, put it on the second left and connect it to the second middle. And you do the same on the right side. So far, it should look like an upside down Y. Next off, you grab your double bands and go down on both sides like that. Simple. Then you need to connect it. So you need to make a hexagon like this. So you do the left side first and then the right side. So far it should look like a hexagon with a line at the top. Okay, and now you go from this one to the middle, and then from that middle in the hexagon one, you go down, you go up to this one. Sorry. And you push them down so that you have room in case there's more bands. Now we need to do its arms, like these 2 arms first. So we'll do the left one first. So you're going to go 4 bands down, still doing double. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So far there should be 4 bands down. And now you do that on the right side for going 4 bands down. One, 2, 3, 4. But the middle one is shorter, as you can see here, is shorter than these 2 outer ones. So we only use 3 bands, still using double, down the middle instead of 4. Like that. So far it should look like this, with your hexagons and your lines down. You can pause the video if you need to catch up. And now we need to make our cap bands. So if you don't know how to make a cap band, you put it over 2 fingers, you twist it into an 8, and you put it back over like that. We need to put that on the end of these 3 pegs. So you do that again, twist it over into an 8, and put it on the last peg. Twist it into an 8 and go over. And before we start the hooking process, you need to grab your hook so we can make the eyes. So you twist this 4 times to get 4 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. You do that again. You might just need to do a quick check in case. And you grab your last yellow band like this. You might want to stretch it out a little bit. And then you go over. You can grab 1 band at a time, as long as you get both black bands onto the yellow. And you don't need to restart the whole thing if the eyes fall off. You can just redo that black band, and it's really easy to redo. So don't worry and don't panic if it falls off, because it's really simple to redo. And now we need to just do that again. So if you go up, oh, see, it's really simple. You just put it back on, and like that. And then you connect it over again. And then if we go back over to these two here, those ones, then you need to connect the eyes together, obviously. So you take the eyes off the hook and connect them onto these ones here. You might need to separate the eyes, so you just push the two back bands apart to the edges here and here, as you can see. And now it's time to start the hooking process. Now to hook, you go inside of the cat band, you grab the two bottom bands here, as you can see, and then you push your cat band down while you, oh, I dropped them, sorry, need to, picked up, and there we go. You need to push your cat band down and carefully pick them up, and then the next one. And you do that until you get to this point here. So you might need to push your bands down so you have room. And if you're like that, and you do the same on the right side. So you grab the two bottom ones, you go inside the cat band, until and then you stop here. Go inside the cat band, you don't go outside, or otherwise it won't work. So you go inside the top two. Oh, sorry, it's kind of hard. You might need to push some buttons. You grab those two bottom ones and you hook them on to the next one, and you keep going until you connect it to this one here. Okay, good. So far it should look like this. If it doesn't look like that, you can pause the video and quickly fix it. Okay. Now you go inside and take these top two bands here, which would connect to, if you pull it, then slightly, and you put that on the middle one. If you copy me exactly, then these bands would go onto the right side, and then the next two bands would go on this left side here. Now it should look like a raindrop so far, or a teardrop, and this big teardrop. That's how you know if you collected all three of these bands. Now you go inside this left one, go to the very bottom, and pick up these two bottom bands, and you connect them onto this peg in front of this one. And you do the same on the right side. You go inside, take the very bottom two. You might have to wiggle it slightly in case it's a bit stiff. It's a bit stuck there. You can see it will make the little arrowy sort of shape. And then you need to go in and do these middle ones here. So you pick them up and connect them. We're nearly finished now. So now you take this left side, go inside, not the outside. Unless it's a bit loud outside. Sorry. You need to connect them two together. And we just have one more little bit, and then you go inside all of these bands, and you take that very last bottom one here. If it helps, you can go underneath all those bands and grab it from here, if it helps. And you connect that. And now, you grab your S hook and you clip that onto here. Oh, sorry. There we go. It's very hard sometimes. You need to get both edges on, not just this one. You need to get the upper and the lower one. There you go. And now you just very carefully pull everything off. It's easier if you put it to the side. Like that. And then this side. So you just carefully take it off. It's very loud outside, sorry. And this last step that I do is very easy. There you go. Now you might need to stretch it out a little bit so that you get... And if you get those little loose bands, you can just clip those over like that. There you go. You have a cute little jellyfish.